Hi everyone, this is Amber with State 48 Garage Doors. I am the VP here at State 48. Today we're going to be talking about two more of our core values, which are quality and service. With State 48, you're always going to get quality garage door service every time. We also give quality customer service to our customers. We treat all of our customers like family, showing care to our community and our neighborhood. This is how we're building long-lasting relationships with our customers. State 48 also takes pride in our products and in our highly skilled technicians. We have our ROC license, we are insured and bonded, we have 5-star rating. We also were voted fave on Nextdoor, and this is our commitment to providing service and excellence and keep our customers' trust.